Hi guys, today I'll show you two ways how to disable your auto start stop system on GLC 300 using a launch tool. So what you have to do is connect it to your OBD port, then put your start in a position 2 without pressing the brake, so it will not start the engine. So actually I'm already in 1. Now second position, you see all the lights are on. Now turn on your launch tool. Okay. And keep your vehicle like this. So I'll show you the first way how to be completely off, and the second way I will be still able to turn it on and off, but it will not start always on, which is so annoying. So I have to go to diagnose. So it will try to find the VIN number of the car right now. You see it's searching to auto detect it. Just give it a moment. Let me see if I can exit this, so it will not take forever. Okay, so now you can see you can select Mercedes to show you the version. Click OK. Okay, so now you see you have a hidden modification. If you go here, the first one is actually the start-stop system. So when you go inside, it will give you the option to turn it on and off. You can see mine is currently on, so the auto stop system it's working. If you want to completely turn it off, use this menu, just select off, and that's it. But I want to keep it on in my case, but manually choose it when to use it, so it will not always start the car on like this. So let me show you where is the other menu. Here you can see all the features that you can do with this diagnostic. This is something like a shortcut menu where you have everything, and it's really easy to change what you want, but the purpose of the video is not this. So you have to go to automatically search. Okay, enhanced version. Okay, okay. Now we'll have to wait a little bit to do its thing. You can see the diagnostic has some nice feature. You can tether it with your phone. It can send to your email all the faults. It's really easy to use and to diagnose something with it. Okay, just a few more moments. Unfortunately, I was not able to find an option for my dynamic select gearbox. It's always start on comfort. I was not able to find an option with the launch tool for my GLC 300. It's 2018 model, but unfortunately I was not able to find this option. I believe maybe for other models they have it, but not for mine. So you go to system selection. Now you have to find type of drive. And here you have to look for NG electronics, ME. So you need to go in this menu. So actually here you can see the whole path. Type of drive, ME, engine electronics. Usually if you have this option for the gearbox, usually is here in this menu for the other models, but unfortunately for this one it's not working. I couldn't do it, but actually for the start-stop system it's working really nice, because I still prefer to use it sometime when I'm in the traffic jam. I prefer to manually to be able to turn it on, but it's annoying when always the car starts with it on. So now let's see. So we have to go to a variant coding. So usually for the gearbox is in implicit variant coding, but you see if I go here, I don't have such an option. I will not go through all the menu. You can see there are so many things inside. You can see there are more like 147 things you can choose from, but it's here in the explicit variant coding actually what we actually need to find and do. So let me see exactly where it is. Okay, so you see this start stop 019. Actually this is the right thing we want to select. It was on my car default on, and now I change it to only in E, in eco mode, but it's not default on. So always when I start the car it will be off, and I can manually turn it on. That's the way I prefer it. You can see the other options you can select from. You just select the one you want, click OK, and that's all you need to do. So let me go back one more time. So actually it was in implicit variant coding. That was my mistake. I thought it's in the other menu. So you go to position 19, and here it's where the magic happens. And once you do that, your car will not start with always auto start stop on. Thank you for watching the video, and have a good one.